everyone, welcome to our lesson 9 class 1 of African drum with singing. Today I am going to teach you a song called Not Yet Uhuru. Not Yet Uhuru literally means not yet freedom. It is a phrase derived from the Swahili word uhuru, meaning freedom or independence. That expresses the idea that true freedom or liberation has not yet been achieved. Firstly, I'm going to teach you the drum beats, which are bass, bass, tone, 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 tone. So now we are going to try them on the drum. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's try them again. Ready? 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the end of our African drum with singing. If you are interested in learning more with us, you can hit the like button, comment and subscribe. See you next time. Goodbye.